Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reorder games icons on your home screen for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, you will need to find the settings gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and press OK. From here scroll down and find device preferences, click on it and navigate to the home screen. Now click again and you'll be able to see the reorder games in the apps section. Click on it, and from here, if you get any games, you'll be able to reorder their icon, so you can place them anywhere on the screen, just the same as with apps. Simply press on the icon you want to reorder and then move it around. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.